What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through downloading and installing Vanilla TWEAKS and Minecraft. Vanilla TWEAKS offers a variety of data packs and resource packs that enhance your gameplay experience by adding new features and improving visuals. Whether you're looking to customize your Minecraft world or simply enhance your gaming experience, this guide will help you every step of the way. So let's begin. First, open any browser, like for example Google Chrome, Firefox, or you can use a Brave browser like mine, as you can see in the video. After you open any web browser you want to use, click the URL search bar to type the website. Type this website. In the CourseForge website, click Minecraft if it is in the featured game list. If it isn't, click search for a game and type Minecraft to find a Minecraft game. Now you can see the Minecraft appears, so click the game. Now, these are the latest mods for Minecraft. Since we're here for Vanilla TWEAKS, click the search bar for Minecraft mods and type Vanilla TWEAKS. Now, you can see in the video the Vanilla TWEAKS appeared. To download it, point your cursor and tweak Vanilla TWEAKS, and as you can see, the download button appears. Just click the download button. The download has been processed, so you just wait for a few seconds. Now, this is where you can choose the directory where you want to save the mod, and it's up to you where you want to save it. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Vanilla TWEAKS and Minecraft, both data packs and resource packs. This customization will enhance your gameplay experience significantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.